Good morning everyone. In last class we discussed 4 rules of active passive. Now today we discuss another rules, means other rules of active passive. Now today we discuss rule number 5. I don't know which rule number is this. I think this is 5 rule number. Passive of modals. Okay, passive of modals. How we change active into passive in case of modals. Okay. So first of all, in modals what included? First of all, write down will, shall, can, could, must, must, should, would, ought to, may, might, etc. Now listen carefully. If these type of modals come in any type of sentence in case of active voice, so how you change these, in this case modal case, active into passive? So for that you write down pattern, means that is structure. Okay. So first of all write down how we change active into passive voice. Clear? First of all, object come, then modals, object plus modals plus be plus verb third form plus by and plus noun and pronoun. Everyone know about the noun and pronoun. Clear? So this is our structure, this is our pattern, that this way we change active into passive voice. Clear? Now next write down example of this. So by example you can easily understand. Clear? So write down the example. Sarita will write a letter. Now see how we follow this pattern. Okay, how we follow this pattern. First of all, Sarita is what? Subject, will is modal, verb and object. Now according to structure, how we change this? A letter, object come first, after that modal. A letter, then same modal, will. Now remember one thing, with modal we always use be. Clear? With modals we always use be. Okay? So a letter will be, now third form, written by, and then after noun pronoun means same name, Sarita. So this is your example. Okay, Sarita will write a letter. A letter will be written by Sarita. Clear? Now no doubt. Next another example. See, passive of modals. Your team can win the match. Your team can win the match. The match can be, third form is won by your team. So easy. With modal what we use? We use be. And only do one thing, you can follow this structure, nothing else. Okay? Don't use much mind, only you can follow this structure and you can easily solve every type of sentences. She can lift a heavy box. She can lift a heavy box. So a heavy box can be lifted by her. Simple. So these are the example of modals, passive of modals. So this way we change active into passive in case of modals. Clear? So everyone write down this example, these examples in notebook, and you can try to solve modal exercise from book. Okay? So this is the easiest way of doing active passive. Okay. Now next one, next rule write down. Rule number 6 is passive of going to. Passive of going to. Okay, means this going to. If going to come, then how we change active into passive voice. Okay, so write down passive of going to, object plus helping verb plus going to plus be plus verb third form plus by, same plus noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun. Clear? So this is the going to pattern. Okay. Now write down this pattern. Write down the example. She is going to deliver the letter. Now see, same. She is what? She is subject. Here helping verb given. Here going to given. Here verb given, and this is object given. Clear? What we will do? Now we change this into passive voice. How we change? The letter helping verb is going to. What we use with going to? We use be. So going to be delivered, third form, by her. Simple. Okay. She is going to deliver the letter. The letter is going to be delivered by her. In case of modals, also we use be. In case of going to, we use be. Clear? In both cases, we use be. Okay. So write down another example. I am going to drop this letter. Again letter example, see. This letter is, now this am change into is because this letter is going to be dropped by me. Simple. Clear? So I am going to drop this letter. So this letter is going to be dropped by me. Now listen carefully. These helping verbs will be changed. Helping verbs will be changed according to the person. Okay, first person, second person and third person. So don't be confused that here am written. So we write here also am. According to person, according to object, according to object we change our helping verb also. Clear? So this is the rule of going to. Clear? Now another rule write down. Passive of to infinitive. Passive of to infinitive. I think in verb chapter we discussed this infinitives. Okay? To infinitive. So how we change this to infinitive? To plus verb first form. Now what is the structure of to infinitive? Object plus helping verb plus to be plus verb third form plus by plus noun and pronoun. Same plus noun pronoun. Clear? Yes. Now first of all object, after that helping verb. Same to with to we use be. Okay, with to we use be here plus verb third form plus by plus noun and pronoun. Example write down. It is time to close the shop. It is time to close the shop. So what is the answer? It is time for the shop to be closed. To be closed. This we change into the like this. Okay. It is time to close the shop. So it is time for the shop to be closed. Clear? They have to attend this meeting. Now see how we identify that this is to infinitive or this. Here to come na. In that case modals come and then going to case going to come. So remember one thing, see these things. Okay. See modal, see going to, see to. So easily you can solve with this structure. So they have to attend this meeting. So now helping verb we can change according to object. So this meeting has to be attended by, they change into them. Okay. So this is the rule of to infinitive. Clear? This is the rule of to infinitive. Now remember one thing, to के साथ बेटा always first form come, verb first form comes. So that we change into third form. Clear? That's why I write here to plus verb first form. Okay. So with to always verb first form come, that we change into third form. So this is the rule of our, this is the rule of to infinitives. Now rule number 8. Now rule number 8. Rule number 8 is what? Passive of imperative sentences. Passive of imperative sentences. This is also very easy. Now passive of imperative sentences means sentence which begins with, how we identify that this is an imperative sentence? So remember one thing, sentence begins with verb first form, जो सेंटेंस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म से स्टार्ट हो. क्लियर? सेंटेंस विच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. सेंटेंस बिगिंस विद प्लीज काइंडली. Sentence begins with please kindly. Clear? Sentence begins with verb first form. Sentence begins with please kindly. Sentence begins with do not. Okay? Sentence begins with do not. Sentence begins with never. Sentence begins with the never. So remember one thing, if any type of sentence means in case of imperative sentence, what will happen? Sentence always begins with verb first form, with please kindly, with do not and with never. Okay? If in these four conditions come in sentence, then what we will do, our structure is what? You are plus ordered, advised, request, suggest, ordered, advised, requested, suggested, requested, suggested, want, forbade, want, forbade, forbade, plus 2 plus verb first form and plus rest of the sentence. This is our imperative sentence structure. Clear? If any sentence starts from verb first form, please kindly do not and never. Clear? So what is our structure is, you are ordered, advised, requested, suggest, want, forbade, plus 2 plus verb first form and then remaining sentence. Now remember one thing, where we use is forbade. Forbade always we use with negative sentence. Clear? So remember this thing, forbade we use with negative sentence. Okay? Now write down example of this, so you can easily understand with the help of example. Please help me. You are, now please help me बोल रहा है तो वो request कर रहा है. Simple. Now listen, this begins with verb first form, please, or with please kindly. So you are requested, then after to means in this, from this we select requested. After that what come? To help, verb first form, and then remaining sentence is me. Simple. So you are requested to help me. Simple. Next, open the door. Open the door. So you are ordered to open the door. To open the door. Clear? Easy? No doubt. Next, more example write down. Work hard. You are suggested to work hard. So these are imperative sentences. This way we can solve imperative sentences. More example write down. Keep silence. Keep silence. So you are advised to keep silence. To keep silence. You are advised to keep silence. Now one more example write down of forbade. Do not make a noise. So here negative sentence come. In case of negative sentence, I told you before that we use forbade. So here this is negative sentence. So do not make a noise. You are forbade to make a noise. You are forbade to make a noise. Clear? So these are imperative sentences example. Okay? So this way we can solve imperative sentence easily. Only follow structure in each and every case. Clear? Any doubt about up to here? So this is imperative sentence rule. Now next our rule is now passive of let. Now we use let. Okay, rule of let. How we use let? Let we use in case of command. When we give command, command is just type of order only. Okay, so do one thing, in imperative sentence we use let. Okay, let का यूज हम imperative sentence में ही करते हैं, बट इसको मीन्स दोनों तरह से हमारा imperative sentence करेक्ट होगा. सपोज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पैटर्न ऑफ let, राइट डाउन let प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर let structure. Now same example we take, open the door. Clear? Open the door. So in imperative case we done that you are ordered to open the door, so that will also correct. But here in let case also we use this let, then the object is what? Door. Let the door be opened. Clear? So this is also correct. Okay, so both way we can use this. Okay, but in some cases that will not happen, but in some cases this will be same. Post these letters. Sorry, let this, post this letter, not these. Post this letter. Let this letter be posted. Simple. Or we can say you are ordered to post this. You are ordered to post this letter. Both way this is correct. Okay. So this is our use of let. Throw the, like next example, throw the ball. Throw the ball. Let the ball be thrown. Let the ball be thrown. Clear? So this is also correct. Let the ball be thrown. Clear? So this is the use of let. Okay? This is the structure of let. Write down. Now passive of that clause. Okay, if that come, then what we use? That clause. Clear? So passive of that clause, like example C. This is not much important, but you can write. People says that honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. So what we write? People said that, simple same, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Clear? So this is also, that clause is also write down in your notebook. People said that the earth, people said that the earth was flat many years ago. So what is the answer? It was said that the earth was flat many years ago. So this is the use of that clause. Clear? If that come in any type of sentence, then we use that clause. And that clause, listen, write down. That clause passive passive we make with it. We make with it. What it is mean? बेटा जब that clause का passive हम बनाएंगे तो हम it से बनाएंगे like this. It was said that the earth was flat many years ago. Clear? Here people said that it is said that honesty is the best policy is also correct. It is said that हम ये भी बोल सकते थे कि it is said that honesty is the best policy. Okay? People said की जगह हम it भी use कर सकते थे. Clear? So this is the use of that clause. Okay? This is also very important. That clause is also very important. So you all write down all 10 rules. Okay? Now next we discuss another rule. Now passive of negative sentences. Passive of negative sentence. Passive of negative sentences. Clear? Like if, do, does plus not plus verb first form come, then this will change into is, am, are plus not and plus verb third form. Plus verb third form. And if did plus not plus verb first form come, this will change into was verb plus not plus verb third form. This is in case of negative sentences. Now write down some example. He does not play football. He does not play football. So how we change this? Football does not, in place of does not, what we use? Is MR. So football is not played by him. Football is not played by him. Simple. Next write down, she did not buy a pen. She did not buy a pen. So a pen, now in place of did not, did what we use? Was and were. So a pen was not, by change into bought. A pen was not bought by her. Pen was not bought by her. This is the case in case of negative sentences. These are the sentences of negative sentences. This way we can change. Do, does change into is, am, are. Did we change into was, were. Not come, and third form always come. So this is the negative sentence structure. They do not help me. So do not come. So I am not helped. I am not helped by them. I am not helped by them. This is the our negative sentence structure. Clear? So up to here our 11 rules completed. Now in next class we will discuss very important topic, passive change into active voice. Means how we change passive voice into active voice. Okay. So write down these. This is completed, and in next class we will discuss our another rules. So up to here you all write in your notebook. Clear? So thank you and have a nice day.